Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
ChatGPT is continuously introduced new features. Hi friends, my name is Ratul and I'm your host for this video. Welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. In this video, we are going to see what are the latest features of ChatGPT. So I'm talking about the web application of ChatGPT. You may get the similar feature on the ChatGPT app also. If you wish, we can make the video about the ChatGPT application. So share your thoughts into the comment section if you need that. So ChatGPT introduced many updates such as Search GPT. Yes, Search GPT means you can use ChatGPT to do web search. And voice models, they introduced some voice models. Along with this, they introduced some different models to work. So everything we will see in this video, and this video is going to be very interesting in 2025. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. So let me open my browser.
Windows 4, address and search bar edit.
And log into ChatGPT. By the way, before login, I just want to share one thing. Some of you have issues with the NVIDIA with ChatGPT. I don't know what is the issue. Maybe this is a Chromium related browsers issue. Maybe. I'm not sure. Try with different browsers. Otherwise, install JAWS. So in my case, I have installed JAWS. I'm using JAWS for this video. And JAWS 2025 along with Windows 11 and Google Chrome latest version and ChatGPT. Okay. So let me log into the ChatGPT.
Hack.com. See, enter ChatGPT Google Chrome. ChatGPT Google Chrome page. BGM creation for V.I Pack.
So now here the ChatGPT open. Next I'm just moving to the edit box.
Message ChatGPT.
So this is a simple edit box, as you know. Now I'm just pressing down arrow and discuss one by one.
Editable section end.
Down arrow.
Unlabeled 0 button menu collapsed dialog. Attach files button.
So attach files, this is an old version, I mean old feature, not old version. This is an existing feature which you already know. Next we have
use a tool button menu collapse
use
dialog.
a tool. This is a menu dialog. So within this tool you can find many options, guys. As I am using screen reader as a JAWS as a screen reader. Okay, so you may get a lower volume of screen reader. So that's why I'll try to explain everything. Just please listen. So see,
attach use a tool button menu collapse
use
dialog.
a tool button. Okay, so here you can choose different models. We'll see. Okay. So let's see what are the models available.
Enter menu. Use a tool menu.
Now see,
use Canvas collaborate on writing and code. 3 of 3.
Canvas collaborate and writing code. So this is one model. Okay, we will discuss them in different videos.
Search find on the web. 2 of 3.
Search find on the web. So if you want to use the search model, you can activate this.
Picture use dolly. 1 of 3.
Picture. So if you want to draw a picture, use this dolly.
Search
okay, I'm just
escape leaving then ChatGPT
this.
heading level 2 chat history nav close sidebar button edit contains editable section n unlabeled 0 button menu attach file use a tool search the web toggle button.
So guys, next we have
search the web toggle
search
button.
the web. Okay, so let me just press enter here to activate this.
Space, ChatGPT
and
main
now
edit message.
I will just search something. Okay, so now you know that Mahakumbh Mela is going on, right? So now I'm just going to search this about Mahakumbh Mela in 2025. So let's see what the results ChatGPT will give. So about
Mela. Num lock off. Num top.
So I'm just asking tell
me.
Okay, tell me about Mahakumbh Mela 2025.
5 blank.
Okay.
Space.
It's schedule
and
how to go.
Period.
Okay, so these things I asked. Now I'm just sending
enter.
this
ChatGPT
and let's
is
wait.
generating the response.
So ChatGPT says, I mean OpenAI said that it can replace the search
ChatGPT
engine.
is still generating a response.
Maybe. What do you think? Let me know into the comment section.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
So now ChatGPT is generating the response. In the meantime, I have one important announcement with you. Guys, we are going to start HTML, CSS, JavaScript with screen readers new batch from February onwards. So if you wish, you can join the batch. So how to join? First of all, you need to click the link of that batch, which you can find on our official Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel, as well as I'll try to provide the link in the pinned comment section so you can directly follow that. Then after clicking that link, you need to scroll down and open the course, where fundamentals of web development with screen readers course. Then fill out the form. Okay, then submit. So after submit, you will get the call from our team, and if you will submit the form, if you are interested to join out of India, you must have the PayPal account or credit and debit card. If you have that, then definitely you are welcome to join. So we will send you message through text about the further details. Also, we are going to start the WordPress course. So if you want, you can apply the WordPress course also. The application process is same. Okay, so I think, yeah, ChatGPT now give me the response. So let me just go to this response.
Heading level 6.
See, I'm just going down.
The Maha Kumbh Mela is a significant Hindu festival held every 12 years in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. The 2025 Maha Kumbh Mela commenced on January 13, 2025, with the Posh Purnima Snan and will conclude on February 26, 2025, coinciding with Mahashivratri.
Okay.
Link NDTV Profit.
See, this is the resource, or this is the source of that news or of that information ChatGPT has taken. So is it possible to replace the search engine?
Key dating dates.
See.
List of 7 items. Bullet Posh Purnima, January 13th, 2025.
So bathing dates.
Bullet Maker Sankranti 1st Shahi Snan January 14th. Bullet Mani Amavasya 2nd Shahi Snan January 29th, 2025. Okay. Bullet Basin Panchami 3rd Shahi Snan February 3rd, 2025.
Okay.
Bullet Aklas Aptami February 4th, 2025.
Okay.
Bullet Maggie Purnima February 12th, 2025.
Okay, now let me ask another question. Okay, I'll not ask any other question. See, because this has some limitations which I'll tell you later. So this is how the search GPT model works. Now you know how to work with DALL-E. We already made a video, so I'm not going to discuss about that. The next, which is most important part, is how to change the voice, and you don't know. I'm just reading aloud.
Sources
this.
Tab read aloud button.
Just I'm pressing enter on it and listen how the quality is and the emotion is.
Enter.
Then I'll tell.
ChatGPT document.
The Maha Kumbh Mela is a significant Hindu festival held every 12 years in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. The 2025 Maha Kumbh Mela commenced on January 13th, 2025.
Close sidebar button. Control new chat button.
Snan, and will
Fix
conclude on
chat
February
sources.
26th,
Main
2025.
button. Start voice search.
Coinciding with
Unlabeled 40 but address
Site
filters
turn
copy stop button.
search H. Key bathing dates. January 13th, 2020.
Enter.
So how it's clear, na? But you can change this voice as per your requirement. Do you want me to show how to do it? So continue watching. So to do this, first you need to go to the top of the ChatGPT, then go down until you find
heading chat close control new chat visited link chat Jeep explore GPT heading level 3 today. List of 3 items. Open profile menu button menu collapsed.
This option, open profile menu. Okay, so now I'm pressing enter here.
Enter menu, open profile menu.
And now just scroll down until you find settings.
My GP customized settings 3 of 6.
Okay.
Customized chat GPT.
Customized chat GPT, my GPT is these are a lot of things options
search
is
extension
there.
5 of 6.
Okay.
Settings 3 of 6. Customized chat settings.
Just click on settings.
Enter leaving menus settings dialog.
And now here you will get some options. So scroll down until you find the voice.
General personalization speech tab data control speech tab.
So click on speech tab. Okay.
Speech tab.
So now after clicking on speech tab, go down until you find the voice
data
names.
control builder connected secure general tab personalization speech tab selected. Voice.
See.
Tab panel voice.
Voice.
Play button.
Play button. So let's play the voice first.
Enter
Hi there.
settings dialog.
I just want to
speech
share
tab
how
panel
thrilled I
stop
am to
button
work
stop.
with you, and I can't.
Enter.
Okay, go down.
Combo box collapse code.
So this is the combo box to choose the voice. So let me choose one by one and I'll show you.
Enter combo list box. Arbor 8 of spruce. Arbor. Enter.
So I'm choosing this one and I just press shift plus tab
play button
to play the voice.
ChatGPT
Play the
says,
sample.
looks like you type B play button. Enter.
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together. Where should we start?
Okay, next voice.
Settings list box. Spruce. Arbor. Cove. Juniper. Ember. Veil. Ember. 5 of
Let's
9.
choose
Enter.
Ember.
Settings dialog. Play but enter.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
Okay, let's see.
Combo list box. Veil. Breeze. 3 of Veil. Enter. Settings dot set. Settings dot play but enter.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to let me know.
This is a
I'm here
great
to help.
voice.
Combo box. Veil. List box. Veil. Breeze. Enter.
This
Settings
one.
dialog. Play but enter.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
Combo box. List box. Breeze. Soul. Enter. Settings
Soul.
dial.
Hey,
Enter.
what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
Combo box. Breeze. 3 of Veil. 4
Okay,
of
so
9.
I'll choose this
Ember.
one.
5
This,
of 9.
um,
Juniper.
Juniper is a
7
by
of 9.
default. Cove I'm choosing.
Enter. Settings dialog. Settings dial. Enter.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled
Enter.
Okay, I choose this one. So once choose, then it's good. No need to save, no need to do anything. Just close this.
Chat Jeep heading level 2 settings. Close button.
Just
Enter.
click
Chat
on
history.
close button. So this is our second thing. See, there are many more updates. I have just shown you 2. Okay, there are like customized GPTs and much more, which I'm not going to show in this video because if I do that, this video is going to be like 45 minutes, 1 hour. But I don't want to do this, at least 35 minutes. Okay, so next is voice model. ChatGPT introduced voice model. You can directly do the conversation with ChatGPT. So now I'm just going to down
Close and new explore unlabeled chat to share button. Edit.
edit box, and below that edit box,
Editable unlabeled attach file. Use a tool. Search the web toggle button. Start voice mode button.
click on start voice
And
mode.
permission requested. Press F6.
Now it will ask you to allow the
Chat.com
permissions.
wants to allow while visiting the site button.
So click on allow while visiting the site.
Enter. This page is accessing your microphone. Change this setting in the address bar. Unlabeled 0 button. Turn off
sorry,
micro.
but I'm having trouble responding right now. Please.
Okay, so now it started. Hi ChatGPT, how are you?
Unlabeled 0. Turn off microphone button. Enter. Turn on mic.
Okay, so now ChatGPT is started. Sorry friends, now the ChatGPT is started. Now let me
Unlabeled
just
button
start
menu
on this.
collapsed. Turn on micro. Enter. Turn off microphone button.
Hello, how are you? Can you hear me?
End voice mode button. Turn off microphone button. Enter. Turn on microphone
Okay,
button.
somehow in my case it is not working. Maybe I'm recording this video using the same microphone. Maybe this can be the issue. Okay,
End voice
just
mode
I'm
button.
clicking on
Enter.
voice
Chat
mode.
GPT. Chat
Remember,
GPT
this
document.
voice mode is free for a limited time per month. It's a new feature of GPT 4 Omni, not 4 Plus or 4. Okay, so you can use these features for a limited time every day. Like you can use the file upload features and advanced features, right? So the same thing happens, but ultimately ChatGPT is a game changer for search engine also, because it introduced the search things, which is not done by any other AI things, right? We have discussed about the perplexity earlier. We have discussed about the Bing AI like Copilot AI, but this is just exceptional. I love ChatGPT just because of it's like the type of it's like how it is responded. The response is clear, concise, and it's a very like what I can say like it looks real-time conversation, and you can understand by reading the ChatGPT's answers. So these are some updates of ChatGPT which you can use through your computer. That's it guys for the day. If you find this content useful, do like this video and share this video with others. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Join our WhatsApp group for more insightful discussions. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.